I received this for free. I absolutely love this couch. It is so comfortable. This is genuinely more comfortable than any other conventional couch I've owned so far. It's pretty large, good enough to sit 2 to 3 people very comfortably. I'm able to completely sprawl out on this thing. I have slept on this couch like an absolute baby. Best night's sleep in a while, honestly. I'm going to go over assembly, and this is very important. If you want to skip this, feel free. This couch is 100% compressed foam. When you first get this thing, you need to open it up, shake, slap, and massage out the cushions, and do not sit on it yet. You have to allow this thing 72 straight hours, 72 hours to completely inflate to its full potential. Not 1 hour, not 5 hours, not 1 day, 72 entire hours before you use this couch. Follow those directions, you will be very happy. They do not literally write that in the directions for no reason, I promise. Generously large while also being compact enough to fit into any space. I think it's like 90 inches or something like that, which is perfect for a small apartment living room. Every inch of this couch is covered in this extremely soft sort of corduroy material, and it is so soft. It's so satisfying to the touch. I find myself just sitting here petting my couch, which is really weird, but it's very nice to do. The main cushion seats that you will be sitting on are shredded memory foam. They're basically giant memory foam bags. This is way more comfortable than the standard design of most other couches that have like the springs. This is going to last a lot longer. It's not gonna break if you have like a kid jump on it. Not a problem. The actual base of the couch is also made of thick memory foam. Why is this not standard design? When I first got this, I was actually worried about the backrest here. It's just foam. I thought it was gonna be too bendy and I wouldn't be able to lean all the way back. I am leaning back with all of my weight right now, and the couch is supporting me perfectly. Very comfortable. So you do not have to have this couch propped up against a wall in order to have your back supported by the backrest. And then of course my favorite spot on the couch is the little lounge seat. This is where I sit and chill, watch TV and play games. And this is my favorite spot in my house. Something else to mention is the fact that the armrests are actually really wide and they're completely flat. Put a coaster down, put your coffee on it, very nice. So yeah, this is the perfect 2 to 3 person couch. It is beyond comfortable. I am just in love with the design of this thing.